Today we're going to get the Play Store on an Amazon Fire tablet in 2023. If you're on this video on your tablet right now, then what you're going to be doing is basically clicking the links at the bottom. If you're watching this video on another device, you need to kind of follow what I'm doing here. First things first, Silk browser. And then you want to go on YouTube, so just type in YouTube and you'll end up on the YouTube website. In the search box at the top, not the address bar, but the one on the YouTube website, just search for Tomos Tech, so THOMMOS space Tech and Play Store. And top result you get, the thumbnail might not look like this because that is an old out-of-date video, but for this to work I've had to put the links in here because I'm going to then upload this video with the links. And what you want to be doing is pressing more so you get the description, and then you will see 4 links there. And what we're going to do is go through each one of those. So link 1, first one, click on that. Don't need to accept the cookies, but I have done here. And then just click on see available downloads, and then click the little download icon there. And scroll a bit further down, download APK. And if it asks you to give access to your storage, just press allow. And then it will come up with a message saying it might be harmful, but that's because it's an APK file, which is basically an app file for Android. But it was fine. APK Mirror is a trustworthy website. And scroll down from the top and you'll see that has finished downloading. So click on that there. And it'll say, for your security, your tablet is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. If you just press settings and set that to allow, that'll allow it to install the APK. Go back and press install, and then done. Close that browser tab and you'll be back to the video. Now we're doing link 2. Same again, see available downloads, and then a little download icon there. And then download APK, download anyway. Scroll down from the top when that's finished, open it up, install, done. Close the browser tab. Then we're going to do link 3, same again, but this time you're straight onto the download APK, so click that. It's a bit of a bigger download, this one, so it might take a little bit longer, so download anyway. And when that's done, drag from the top, open it up, install, and again because it's bigger it's just taking a little bit longer, and then done. Close the browser tab, and the final link, link 4, scroll down, download APK, download anyway, from the top, open it up, install, and then done. And then if you now go back home, you now have the Play Store icon. And if you sign in, you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe, like, comment below, and I'll see you next time.